In today's local and national news, we look at travel warnings for Burma, where killings are continuing, more vaccines due to be approved for use in Thailand, 250,000 people treated for sickness from smog in the north, and good news for Pattaya City as many events are returning to the fold. The Thai government has asked neighbouring Burma to release detainees following killings this week and asked all concerned to seek a peaceful solution. Most embassies still advise travellers not to visit Burma as the situation there continues to escalate and where the military are likely to be committing crimes against humanity, according to the United Nations, who've also added that 70 protesters have been murdered since last month's coup. Another 7 demonstrators were shot dead this week, prompting widespread international condemnation of the crackdown, with even traditional ally China calling for de-escalation. This as the latest charges against Suu Kyi include the acceptance of 40 million bahts worth of gifts from what's described as a now-detained lawmaker. In Thailand, Moderna is the latest vaccine manufacturer to apply for approval for use here. This as a decision is expected on the Johnson & Johnson tablet form of vaccine, which has been approved in other countries, all adding to the speed up of the nationwide programme that once completed could see the grip on tourism somewhat lessened. This, as we're told, the Prime Minister himself will be inoculated today along with many in the government, setting the standards for all here to take the opportunity when given to get the shots. Thailand yesterday reported 58 new COVID cases, 53 amongst the population, but with the equaling news that in the same period 54 patients had fully recovered. The Department of Health has released figures from the northern provinces showing 250,000 people there this year to date have been treated for nasal and eye irritation due to smog. With no figures ever released from our own regions, the vast number is an indication of the seriousness of the problem. The former Immigration Bureau Chief, Police Lieutenant General Surachate, known as Big Joke, who was removed from his post in 2019, has now been reappointed to the Royal Thai Police. No word on his actual job description, but the publicly popular general retains full rank. Meanwhile at home, and the Royal Thai Police are reported to be expanding investigations into illegal and organised gambling along the eastern coastline, including our own province. With 7 police staff already said to be implicated and a further 253 now under investigation, this isn't going to go away for sure, as those under investigation include the highest of the high in both Chonburi and Rayong. More events for the city are planned, as City Hall told media that the marine sports competition on March the 26th to the 28th and on April the 3rd to the 4th at Jomtien Beach will include windsurfing, paddleboard competitions and jet skis. With viewing free to the public, the events are expected to draw a good audience along Jomtien's beachfront. And the Walk and Eat weekend markets in Naklua, due to have been launched in December but cancelled due to the virus, are set to restart this weekend and become a regular event over the next 2 months. Both Saturday and Sunday from 4 in the afternoon will see free musical entertainment along the way, and we can look forward to a street party style atmosphere. With the reminder amidst masks and meters, wash your hands, wear a mask and keep social distancing, and the Met Office promising highs today of 33, dropping down to 27, and a good chance of showers at any time. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Pattaya Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme, like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Pattaya Media Group, by using the link below.